This is the Lomalos Boulevard and the Santa Elena Bridge that links San Ignacio and Santa Elena together is in that direction, the new one. And this park right there is pretty sweet. I'll have to find out the name. Check that out right there. So you got the Lomalos Hospital, the George Price Highway right there. Fernando Radiator over there. Ooh, there's two parks. There's one to the left and one to the right. And this right here is the George Price Highway that goes to Belize City, and then to Benqueviejo, the border between Guatemala and Belize. Lomalos Hospital, as I have stated. This is where I'm headed. Hashtag one rental center in Belize. One rental for your construction needs, for those who are building, scaffolding, like wheelbarrow, cement mixers, and more. As you can tell, and then here are their information. Okay. Oh, they have framing levels, so you use those. Those are for like walls that are exceeding 8 to 10 feet, so you can keep them plumb. So if you guys are doing something major, come on in, stop by and check them out, and they can help you get your building project completed. Come check them out. And they're in Santa Elena, just off the Lomalos Boulevard. Okay.